Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jukes and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club news. Everton don't beat Arsenal for Goodison Park 2-1 as they pick up maximum 3 points. Everton play very well as two of their goals even VAR disallow am, say na offside. At the same time, Arsenal opened the scoring through Odegaard for 47 minutes for the first half. Then for the second half, Richarlison can score for 79 minutes to equalize to make am 1-1. Then for 92 minutes, Demarai Gray can score the winning goal to make am 2-1. My brothers and sisters, that's what the match they end. For my own assessment of this match, the way Arsenal play, Arsenal no play very well because we were wasteful on the night. So you get some kind of goals so supposed to don't score. Like more than 4 chances. If you check one way, Aubameyang come miss late on. And especially the one way Edin Ketia come miss as a free header, a good German hit bar. You still score that one, at least we will kill the momentum for Everton. As Everton just equalize 1-1, I don't see trouble don't they because the fans were behind them, the noise for the stadium and the frustration we don't give them already. Where they don't even lose 2 goals with them talking are offside. They just score one more. They just score 70-something minutes. Time still to equalize now. And the way the Gray just take beats to the ass, so got the big Ben White, come wipe shot. That shot, I don't think they get any keeper for this one to catch him because ball will be say it don't look like say they go out, go jam back, go enter. Which keeper won't catch him? I'll let him be. Ramsey want to see him. Everything just dey frustrating that night. As in a lot of Arsenal fans just dey paras on the talk say now just one thing remain, they go don comot as Arsenal fan. Now Arsenal don go back to 7th position for table. Top 4 don far down. It's very painful, like very painful. But we can't give up now. We'll continue to the fight. Even a lot of Arsenal fans gonna complain say why Mikel Arteta go comot Kere and Tierney. Come go put Tavares. This one might be one of the talking points on social media yesterday. I don't know what to be my own opinion about this issue. Say Arteta dey right to comot Kelly and Tierney to put Tavares because all of us know say Tavares dey more of an attacking-minded player. We make them come comot Tierney because they look say maybe joy dey for that left flank. We make the guys put Tavares. They make the guy flying, but unfortunately, as the guy can't enter, the guy can make some kind of mistakes. That's why they talk say youthful exuberance. You get smally, no matter how you want to look at. You get number 2 and number 2, deputy and deputy. I don't want to know how you want to look at. Irrespective of any ramification, we want any yardstick we want to judge at. Baba na baba. So therefore still let Tierney finish the game unless maybe Arteta will come outside let us know say maybe Tierney don't get injury or maybe Tierney no dey capable of finishing the game or maybe the guy no even dey fit enough to start. I don't know, unless they won't give us one excuse. If not, nothing. There is no reason we go make you come out Tavares. Though people or some other people go talk say there is no way Arteta go know say Tavares go enter when they do mistake. Well, it don't happen. We say it don't happen. Well, we just got to lick our wounds and move on. At the same time, for media settings, they ask Arteta make him analyze the game, make him assess in team's performance. So back on talk say no 2 ways about it. Say we don't really play well on the night because there is no way we go for Goodison Park for this kind of night on a day where we say they need nothing but a win because they won't sack their coach. Even the sporting director, the senior men waiting for the club, fans on the provoke, don't talk say they sack them. Then you can't say one good day for that night, one good day wasteful. Come on, you can't do that. So if you go there, any chance you get supposed to bust out. So that's supposed to be. So we created chances. So see, for some parts of the game, we were dominant. For the first half, we don't get problem for the first half. First half went well for us, no issue. But you see that second half, even when we do for studio, they talk and say no 2 halves are equal. So you see the second half, they'll come out like a springboard because they know say that they need the win pass us because if they don't lose 6 of their last 7 for crying out loud. So are you expecting them to lose 7 of their last 8? Who does that? That is why they will talk say do or die. I don't already talk about before say this match was going to be a battle of Goodison Park. Now it will be because them no come here can draw. They won't win. and we self we need to win. But if you want to win, you can't play the way we played. Oh, that yesterday was very disappointing. Ateta talk say he was very disappointed because we were wasteful on the night. Imagine that in Nketiah goal. You see Eddie Nketiah scored that one. All the ginger, all the gra whoever it gets will just die. Their momentum will just die. But as we just no score, then because they scored the council am, the fans will ginger more, they'll get their momentum. Say Richarlison score hat-trick, then cancel 2. Just imagine in one game. It is what it is, my brothers. At the same time, at the media setting, they ask Ateta, say, what's going to happen? Now, you can't pick Eddie Nketiah ahead of Pepe because a lot of people, the reason say you're supposed to bring Pepe in. Then instead, you can't bring Nketiah. So, Baba can talk, say, make it no life for you. Say, the reason we make and bring Nketiah now because the guy is, that's when you for field down. When you say they disturb the post, the guy gets some kind of scoring opportunities. Now, exactly what they do for training. That is why Enga has to bring him because some people dey of the idea say Eddie Nketiah don talk say no one sign the contract him dey go at the end of the season. Why I come dey give am chances? Why I no give person be say say at the end of the season if he go still dey wey be Pepe now I still get future for Arsenal if he change his style of play. So I don't know why I come dey give that guy a play that so that Baba don explain am to us now because for training Nketiah dey perform more. That is why I select am. At the same time, some people like me don dey talk say Pepe no good. Yet at the same time, Aubameyang and Lacazette they are not doing anything. Make we stop to dey hide, stop to dey talk say they are marking, they are pressing. Their job is not to mark. Fine, they can also join the marking, but how many times don see Salah dey do say im job na marking? Your job is to bust nets, Baba. Fine, you can still join the team, you don't mark, you do some kind of marking, but that's not your sole responsibility. Your responsibility as a 9, your responsibility as a striker is to bust nets, is to score. That is why you were brought in. Everything they bring you now, you know, come mark, you get. So everybody is supposed to understand their role, their job description. Some people they forget all this time say they mark well. Since Aubameyang and Lacazette know they do well, I think it's right time we drafting Pepe. Let's see what the people will do because you know if you get people know they do well, I will still keep using them. It is not good. So that's my own take on that. At the same time, Kaya Kenak will be one of the writers for Football London. Don't come outside the talk, say you see for him. Say 2 people they will say they no perform well for that Arsenal team, and they be Thomas Partey and Lacazette. Say these people they don't play very well. They had one of the worst match ratings for that match. The why they don't call Aubameyang and say the guy coming like maybe the last 15 minutes or the last 30 minutes, and that one take enter. Cause scatter your own glorious opportunity. So, but for the match, Thomas Partey, no. Partey not do well. Even though see that throw in Partey and Tavares they do mistake, we can lead to that goal. On that night, I don't know whether because of the pressure from the Everton fans, the noise that they make, maybe that don't call they affect our players' psyche, because they affect our mentality. Local know what they do again. So that's what just be. I don't know for now who will not flop of the match. Maybe I can say. For this match, as so person I don't play well. One of the people do the greatest mistakes. Who would have flop of the match? Let me know from the comment section. But at the same time, some people don't talk say Arsenal deserve to lose because there is no way Everton will play the way they play. You can't talk say they will lose. Come at me now, come on. So you can't play like that and come and lose again. Oh, you don't score 2 goals, you can't be offside. So imagine saying that we be Everton, so we don't score 2 goals, can't be offside. At the end of the day, we don't come win. You go happy. So that's why some people talk say Arsenal self no play enough to win. To so play deservedly to win. You go know that. Shebi that lot of they talk say we lose against Manchester United. Yet we still talk say we play well. You get nobody fit win all the whole match. We not be invisible of Arsenal where they do before. So at least if we want lose with dignity. Still play well. People go talk say now God of soccer no just play with them like they were unlucky on the night. They played very well. You know that kind of level now. Play very well, represent your club very well. This badge, represent them well. Everybody will say, okay, yes, then try. But this one, I know if you talk say and try at all. Everybody just they cry, everybody just they complain. All those who don't chop yesterday because of the way they scatter their mood. Everything was just, even myself, I just tried to hold my body because I was very angry. I don't just want to talk too much. I was very angry. See the way about Saturday talk yesterday. This time we don't say it's the pain and rich bone because we don't represent weather yesterday. And another thing we say, if to say Arsenal get a decent striker, just a half decent striker, would they beyond where we did now? Would it prosper? Will it progress? Because we no get any striker as of now. Presently, striker wey be say we fit trust say give am one chance he go burst am. We no want striker so we say we give it 10 chances before he go score one. We need a striker we say even if na half chance, he go still burst am for us. Na that kind striker now we dey need. Make January do come abeg, no so that go buy. Also I thought I talk say dem no dey reason anybody. Just me I still dey talk say the guy dey whine us say make January reach they go buy. I dey tell you. Surprise sef, even Ateta out hashtag sef don come back for social media yesterday because people dey para, and na wetin I no dey like with this. Shey na Ateta na be the problem? No be Ateta be the problem. Shey na Ateta talk say make Aubameyang miss that chance. Shey na Ateta talk say make Nketiah miss that chance. Shey na Ateta talk say make Tavares come do mistake. See, there are some things wey be say we no suppose to dey blame the coach. That is why I dey talk say there are those sacred cows. Drop some people. If you no drop some people, the players will make the team and the hierarchy drop you as the coach. That's the reason why there are supposed to be no sacred cows. Anybody wey form will drop am. Otherwise, at the end of the day, na you dey go sack as the coachee. Nobody. So there is no loyalty for any player. You supposed to dey on merit. You see when they pick in case ahead of Pepe, you onto merit, no be by name, no be by how much they buy you, how did they bring you come. So if you get player wey dey play very well, the best thing you can do is to draft that player, comot anybody dey fumble, irrespective of their status, whether you are a captain, vice captain, or whoever you are. We don't care. All we care is form. And what we need. See now, Ateta out. Nobody dey shout Aubameyang out. Like I said, out. Tavares out. Now Ateta out. Before you know now, if they lose again, they'll feel sack the guy. That's the main problem I have. Come on, it's a pity. Even Jamie Carragher sef when he dey for pundit duty, Babako dey confess say almost say dey stunned, dey surprised, like how did Nketiah miss that goal? Or did he shock Baba? He said when I see happen, it shocked me because how you go shout Jesus? Like how can you miss that on the platter of gold? Free heading, free post, see me see you miss am. Who does that? I don't understand. E just be like say they plan am. Baba dey complain say Nketiah say no be wetin supposed to miss. That's what we say then give you go score am because that was on a platter of gold, like a golden opportunity to kill the momentum of Everton and he let am go away. The guy dey sad. I don't just understand. Well, it is what it is. We don't get what we go do. We lick our wounds, move on to fight another day. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we dey see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. And you see that bell notification icon wey dey there, toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.